guys, this is Harshila. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from Nykaa. Now I think I must be the last person to upload this video, but what can I do? I just received my order और ऐसे कभी नहीं होता है. This is so unlike Nykaa. I mean, whenever I order from Nykaa, I usually get my order within a day or two, but this time it has taken so long, almost more than a week. So yeah, but I am just happy that I received my products and I'm here. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. I've tried not to go overboard and not to overshop, so yeah. Let's start. The very first product that I have is by Dove. Now I knew that I had to get my hands on it is because this looked very intriguing and I love Dove body washes. So when I saw that they have launched their range in like AHA and BHAs, I was like, let me try it out. So this is what it looks like, the product that I personally got. So but yeah, just had to mention the quality is so bad, like this thing is like coming off and I just ordered it, so I don't know what's up with that. But talking about the product, so I think there are like 2-3 variants in this one, and I happen to get this one. This particular one is because this has lactic acid. They have another one which had salicylic acid, which is great as well, but I think lactic acid is like a lot more gentler and it still exfoliates your skin, so I prefer lactic acid over salicylic acid, especially right now because it's like winters and you don't want anything that's like too drying. I haven't tried this, but I'm looking forward to using this, and I really want to see how this smells as well. So let's see. This has like 4% refining serum plus AHA, and as I mentioned, the AHA that they have used is lactic acid. So yeah, let's see how this one is. Up, I have a product from Bath and Body Works. और ऐसे कभी नहीं होता है कि I'm shopping and sale है and I'm not getting anything from them. I usually like मतलब ऐसे हो ही जाता है that I end up buying some or the other thing from them. So this time but this one is a restock. I got the body lotion that I had loved and enjoyed using. This is Fairy Tale by Bath and Body Works. This smells so good. Oh my god, I cannot even tell you. This smells very fruity, very sweet and extremely mouth-watering, if I can like explain it to you. It's so good. I love it. But why I like it is because I think it works really well with my body chemistry, and also most of the perfumes that I have pair really well with this one, so I like it and that's why I got it. On an everyday basis, I prefer to use something that's unscented when it comes to body lotions, but the days that I'm like really feeling myself and I want to smell extremely good, I reach out to this. This is so good. I love it. It's just perfect. Oh my god, my mouth's like watering when I'm smelling this, and I get so many compliments every single time I use this, so this is my favorite. I love it. Okay, next up I have another body lotion. Again, this I had mentioned in my recommendation videos for you guys, so see, I'm not just recommending it to you, I personally am also buying it. So this is Sugandha's lactic acid body wash, and body wash, no, this is a body lotion. I thought these two together would work really well. This is a lactic acid body wash and this is a lactic acid body lotion, so yeah, I thought of getting this, but this time I've gotten unscented version, and this has 5% lactic acid, 2% niacinamide, so which is great as well, and then it also has calendula. I have already used their scented one, so I know how this is. This is a very good body lotion, gently exfoliates, and yeah, if you want something unscented and which chemically exfoliates your entire body, then get this. You wouldn't regret it. It's really good. Okay, talking about something that's on my lips, and I just like the moment I received it, this one product, I was like looking forward to it. I was like, I have to try it the moment I get it, which is this tint. Now this is Rom and Juicy Lasting Tint in Nucademia. Now I have the other shade which is Fig, जो मैंने last sale के time खरीदा था, and I fell in love. Okay, the tints are so good. I mean, that one is like a proper red for me. The tint was also really nice, and right now I'm wearing this. This is so good. This is almost like my lips but better, and I really want to see how the kind of tint it leaves behind, because I've just used it. I don't know, but it's just so beautiful. I literally don't have anything on, like no lip liner, nothing. It's just plain basic Rom and ka lasting tint in Nucademia, and this is what it looks like. I think it's beautiful. I love it, and I was not sure about this because I thought this would wash me out, but फिर मैंने सोचा देख लेते हैं, अगर वॉश आउट भी किया तो मैं लिप लाइनर से मतलब कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लूँगी जुगाड़. बट दिस इज़ जस्ट सो परफेक्ट एंड आई एम so happy that I made this purchase and it was on great offer. So yeah, I'm very happy about that as well, because initially when you look at the price of this, like 800 for a tint is so much, but sale में अच्छा मुझे अभी याद नहीं है, but yeah, it had like good offer only, that's why I got it. If you want to try out tints, the first brand that I would recommend you guys is Romand. आँख बंद करके go for it, try it out, really nice stuff. Then I also got this gloss by Faye. I think this is like a viral product, everyone talks about it. It's like this, I got it in the shade Living, and this is what it looks like. Let's see, let's open it up. Let's see the shade. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is how the shade looks. This is also supposed to be non-sticky, so I'm really excited to see how this performs. And yeah, stay tuned to know more. Okay, then I have this sunscreen by Requil. Again, I really like Requil as a brand. Most of their products I think I've used and I've loved. So I really like their oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. This has a creamy formulation. It's meant for like oily skin people, and this is also a restocked. I think this has to be my, I don't know, like 10th tube or something like that, because I've used it so much and I really like it. It's very nice for everyday basis. Go for it, it's too good. Then I also got this Elf's. I'm not sure when did I order this. Did I even order it, or was this like a free thing that I've received? I'm not sure. But yeah, I've got this brow pencil, or like instant lift brow pencil in deep brown color by Elf, and मुझे याद ही नहीं है मैंने ये कब order किया था. तो yeah, this also I have ordered. Guys, it was so cold just कल परसों तक, and within 2 days it's gotten so hot. I cannot even tell you. I literally feel like I'm in the peak summers. Like I feel like it's May or something like that. I'm sweating so much, I cannot even tell you. Let's continue the video. Okay, the next thing that I got is a body mist by Sol de Janeiro. I had to. I mean, जब भी sale होता है, I try to see कि क्या sale चल रहा है. और इस पे there were times when it was like flat 25% off. So very good. And बाकी offers बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. तो मतलब अच्छा sale and अच्छा offer था. So I ended up getting this one. Now I regret it big time. Why did I blind buy it? I don't know. I don't know what was I thinking. Honestly, like, okay, I'll tell you what. It has a vanilla note to it for sure. I think पूरा Sol de Janeiro का, if you see, the main note is vanilla. वो तो है. And they just play around it, right? तो मुझे लगा था कि ये काफ़ी ऐसा vanilla, मतलब it would be like a really nice light vanilla, but it has a very strong spicy note to it, which I don't know, I am not a fan of it, but I do know that it grows on you. I'll tell you why. Because it smells very, I wouldn't say similar, it kind of smells like In the Stars by Bath and Body Works. And when I got that also body mist, I was like, I don't like it. But over a period of time, it did grow on me. And I have tried using this, but it's just not hitting. And honestly, even though it's like a tropical scent, in my opinion, it's more appropriate if it's like chilly out, or if it's like cold out or something like that. You can obviously wear it on a tropical day or like a tropical vacation, whatever, but in my opinion this is a good like autumn winter sort of a scent. Now having said that, I really want to see iska notes kya hai, because I do smell something really spicy and I don't know kya hai, like what spice is that. Okay, I think I'm stupid or what? Like they have clearly mentioned that it has sheer sandalwood, and that's exactly what this smells like. It has a very strong sandalwood note to it. Oh my god, yeah. That is what it smells like. So if you don't like sandalwood, don't go for it. Anyway, I shouldn't have bought it. I think this has to be my least favorite of all three scents that I own right. I also got some Lux products because why not? As I said, everything was on sale. So I ended up getting this primer by Huda Beauty. Now they had invited me to their event when they launched this product in India, but मैं काफ़ी लेट पहुंची, तो बिफोर मी आई थिंक दे रैन आउट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. दे यूजुअली गिव यू सैम्पल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स टू ट्राई आउट लाइक टू क्रिएटर्स, बट बाय द टाइम आई रीच्ड, आई थिंक काफ़ी क्रिएटर्स आके गए थे. तो दिस वॉज not available. I did try the tester and I loved how blurry and poreless my skin was looking, so I was like, I have to get my hands on it. So I got this one, and again it did not have like a lot of offers, but there was something called as like flat 15% off on your cart as well. So वो लगा के थोड़ा off मिल गया था, क्योंकि ये तो off पे था नहीं, but I still got it because मुझे खरीदना ही था. This has been on my wish list for the longest time, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. बहुत सुना है इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, तो सोचा कि खरीद लेती हूँ. एंड oh, I finally have it. I can't believe it. This is what the product looks like, and yay, I'm so excited to use this as well. Now while I was getting this, there was another makeup fixing spray that I was contemplating whether to buy it or no, which was by Tilted, but कोई reviews ही नहीं था. I think Tilted, they've just launched in India, तो reviews ही नहीं थे. I know it's like a Korean brand and you can trust it, but I know they make products for Korea, which is like a colder country, and मुंबई में तो अभी भी I'm sweating and I don't want to like clog my pores. मैंने सोचा थोड़ा रुक लेती हूँ, देखती हूँ कि what people have to say, उसके बाद खरीदूँगी. बट या वो मैं सोच रही थी कि खरीदूँ, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी चीप था. ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. दिस बेटर वर्क, मतलब बहुत पैसे दिए मैंने इस पर, खर्च किए. ओके, last product that I have is again a Lux product, which has to be my very first product from Benefit. I do not even own their Benetint. Will people accept me as a skincare and makeup enthusiast, because I don't own that product? Anyway, so I finally got 24-hour brow setter. ये भी काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव था, बट फिर मैंने थोड़ा सोचा और आई रियली वांटेड दैट लाइक यू नो लुक. आई डू हैव द ELF वन एंड दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई यूज़ ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस. इट वर्क्स रियली वेल, बट फिर इसका भी इतना ज़्यादा हाइप था कि मैंने सोचा कि ट्राई कर ही लेती हूँ. सो या आई फाइनली गॉट दिस. मैंने बहुत सोचा, मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं वो प्रिसाइजली ब्राउ भी खरीद दूँ. फिर मैंने सोचा अभी के लिए पहले ये ट्राई करते हैं, फिर बाद नेक्स्ट सेल में वो देखूंगी. सो आई गॉट दिस ब्राउ सेटिंग जेल. सपोज टू जस्ट लाइक you know, it's like a gel that you apply on your brows, and oh my god, it's so nice though. It feels so luxe, just like very nice. I love it. Okay, looking forward to using this as well. And, with that, we are done with the haul. That was my sweet and short haul for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I would love to know what did you guys purchase in the comment section. So let me know what did you guys buy. And if you like this video, then like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.